How's everybody doing today, guys? This is Kurt's Culinary, and today I am going to teach you how to make fresh salsa, also known as Pico de Gallo. Okay, this stuff is absolutely delicious. Okay, you need fresh tomatoes, fresh onion, fresh cilantro, one fresh jalapeno, a fresh lime, and then salt, pepper, garlic. That's it. Very basic. Okay. We're gonna start by dicing these tomatoes down. Okay, so you're just gonna cut this. You can cut it as thin as you want or as thick as you would like. I like to make my stuff a little chunkier because with the fresh, it's just that's the way to go. It's just absolutely delicious. Okay, so I'm gonna cut these down, and all you really need to make this stuff is the ingredients: a cutting board, a sharp knife, and a container. Okay, so we're gonna cut these this way. We're gonna turn them. We're gonna cut them again. All right. Now you can chop your tomatoes and all this down as you like. Like I said, I like to make a little thicker, so it's a little more chunkier, so you get the real good flavors of everything in there. Okay, just cut these ends off of these tomatoes. All right. And this really doesn't take long, and it is really good. You can do anything with these, with the fresh salsa. You can put it on chicken, fish, just basically anything, any kind of meat, shrimp, seafood, anything. It has to be fresh though. Fresh cilantro and fresh ingredients are the key to delicious cooking. Okay, we don't want just good cooking or good flavor. We want delicious flavor. All right, so our tomatoes are cut. We're gonna take an onion, cut these ends off. Okay. Get that out of there. You're gonna take this onion, peel this little layer off. You're gonna peel this little layer off here. Okay, and you're just gonna dice it. Nothing has to be pretty. Nothing has to be perfect. You know, it's cooking's learning. So just do the best you can. That's all you can do. So. Okay, as you can see, this is all very quick, simple. Okay, for the pepper, I'm going to show you guys how to cut these. Cut one end off, cut the other end off, so you have a nice flat surface. And you are just going to take this knife and go right down the edges. And you will see that after this, you will have the whole innard, which is what you don't want to eat, and no waste. All right, so this goes and that goes. All right, take this little jalapeno, and you can cut this however you like. You can leave it you can leave it thick if you want, or you can cut it thinner. You're gonna cut these down into little julienne strips. Okay, little guys like this. All right, so let's finish cutting this up. All right, and then after you cut these, you're just going to turn them sideways and cut away. All right, so that's our jalapeno. So you got your tomatoes, your onions, fresh jalapeno, and Okay, then we have a lime. Okay, the lime, all you want out of this is the juice. So you cut it in half, you squeeze that good juice in there. Make sure you, whoa, and they're slippery, they do come out. So go ahead and squeeze all that good juice in there. Gives it a real good citrusy flavor. I use a whole one. It just helps, and it gives it a really, really beautiful flavor. Okay, there we go, guys. Okay, now your cilantro. You're just gonna take your cilantro. This is a half a bunch. It's not a whole bunch. You can pull all the leaves off of the stalks if you want to, but I'm not gonna do that. It's really not necessary. But what you do want to do is you want to let the knife do the work. So you just kind of want to cut into this, and it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not going to be. And okay, and you want to keep it squared, and then you want to take your knife. You just kind of want to rock back and forth with this. Get it all nice and chopped down pretty good. It doesn't have to be fine chopped. You just need it chopped up nice. And this is usually how I do it. I just take it. You just take this knife, and then there you go. All right. So you're going to take this cilantro, and you are going to put it into this container. Okay. So that's that. All right. Watch my hands off. Okay, so all of the cutting is done. Now we have all the ingredients are in here. You have your tomatoes, onions diced, jalapeno diced, your lime juice is in there. Okay, and we are going to hit it with just a little pepper, just a little. Okay, and a little bit of salt, just a little bit. Okay, because cilantro is very, very powerful, and it's going to override that flavor anyway. And then for garlic, you are going to take just a little bit, about that much. Set that on top, and you're done. All you have to do is mix it up. I always put it into a container like this so that you can take your lid, pop it on top, and shake it up. Okay. And as you see, everything is pretty nicely mixed. You can shake it more if you want, or whatever. And that's pretty much all there is to it, guys. This is fresh salsa. That's absolutely delicious. Once you make this, you won't even want to touch anything in a can. It's great on everything. Chips, it doesn't matter. Chips, seafood, and anything. This fresh salsa is the way to do it. So that's Kurt's Culinary, or this is Kurt's Culinary, and this is for how to make fresh salsa. Thank you guys for watching, and if you guys do have anything that you would like for me to make, please let me know, and I will do the best I can to help you out with that. So until next one, see you guys later.